On behalf of the Pepper Eaters Association, I have come to say that please, it is high time you stop saying pepper has nothing it offers to us. Hello guys, welcome to BEFE'S Space. If you're just coming across this channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Kinah Befe, and on this channel we do everything food and health. Today, I have come on behalf of the Pepper Eaters Association to say please, we are tired of hearing that pepper has nothing it offers to our body. Are you saying that we just eat pepper just to sweat? I have come to play with you guys that please, people should leave us alone. I understand if for health reasons you cannot eat pepper. That is understandable. And I also understand if your tolerance for spicy food is very low. That is also understandable. But what I don't understand is you saying you do not put pepper in your food at all just because you feel pepper has nothing whatsoever it has to offer. So today I want to be talking about habanero pepper because that's one of the most commonly used pepper in Africa. I think some people grow up eating pepper, but they do not know what it does to the body whatsoever. Habanero pepper comes in different colors. It has the red, the green, the orange, and the yellow. And each of these colors has its unique flavor. Let's talk about the health benefits of consuming habanero pepper. Habanero pepper contains a phytonutrient called capsaicin that helps to reduce bad cholesterol in our body. So if you are trying to fight cholesterol, if you're trying to lower your cholesterol and you're thinking of one of the things to incorporate into your meals, then it should be habanero pepper because of the phytonutrients it has and how it has the ability to reduce this bad cholesterol in our body. We all know that there are good cholesterol and bad ones, and we want a balance. And as much as possible, the bad ones should go down. If you want that, then you should start consuming spicy meals. And when I say consume spicy meals, I'm not saying go overboard. Go according to what you can handle. They also contain flavonoids that helps to manage diabetes. So if you have diabetes or in your family lineage you have diabetes, you can start incorporating pepper into your meals if you have not been eating pepper at all. Because trust me, pepper has the ability to help fight diabetes. It also helps to control blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure or you know someone that has high blood pressure, please advise them to start incorporating pepper into their meals if they have not been doing that. And especially if they do not have any other reasons not to eat spicy food, okay? Because same habanero pepper has a very potent antioxidant that helps to fight or manage high blood pressure. And there is a saying that prevention is better than cure. So instead of you waiting to have this high blood pressure and start fighting it, you can start preventing it by taking in things that will help to prevent them. The capsaicin that is in habanero pepper also helps to accelerate weight loss. So if you are having challenges with trying to lose weight or you're on the journey of losing weight, then you should incorporate pepper into your meals. It will just help. It will help accelerate the process. It will help quicken the process of you losing weight. The habanero pepper also has anti-cancerous qualities and they help to halt the growth of these cancerous cells and tumors. Sometimes we do not even know what we just generate. Someone will just be there and they say you have cancer or something like that. So it is very important to take in things to prevent the growth of those cells or those tumors. Okay, there's just little we can do, but the little we can, let's just try as much as possible to do it. I repeat, if you do take pepper, continue. Take according to how you can handle it. But this message is for those that do not take pepper whatsoever. They do not take in pepper just because they feel that pepper has no health benefits whatsoever. Please, if you can, give it a try. Start adding little into your meal so you don't miss out on all of the health benefits that pepper has to offer. Stop depriving yourself of pepper. Because I don't even know how people can eat fresh fish without pepper. No, like fresh fish without pepper, you feel like throwing up. Sorry to say that. Yeah. The reason why I brought up this topic was because I prepared peppered chicken, peppered pomo, peppered turkey for a customer of mine. Yes, and a friend saw it and was like, why would someone just take in peppered, just like the name implies, peppered chicken, peppered pomo or wile? Ghanaians call it wile. Why? Like, why would they decide to consume that amount of pepper and all of that? Because that's a delicacy. That's a delicacy. You take it with your chilled drink, to cool down your temper. But she felt like pepper has nothing it offers. So why will you suffer yourself and eat that kind of spicy food just to sweat and all of that and be suffering your tongue because your mouth will be hot? And I'm like, okay, so you're part of the people that do not believe that pepper has anything to offer. So I'm going to do a video about that. And yeah, here we are. I've been able to share few of the health benefits of consuming pepper. And please, please, please do not take it too much. Excess of everything is bad. Even if you want to take peppered um chicken or pepper turkey, if you cannot take pepper so much, there are ways to reduce the spiciness of the habanero pepper. Okay, so it's not like it must be really, really, really peppery. We do that based on how the customer wants it or how the customer can take in pepper. Okay, anyways, enough of the story. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video because I enjoyed sharing this information with you. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to do so. Turn on the bell notification, share this video with your family, friends and loved ones. And until we meet next time, do not forget to always smile because you're beautiful when you do. Bye.